new Chief Justice Rony Govinden has said that his focus is to ensure that the rule of law and justice prevails. Chief Justice Govinden took the oath of allegiance and the oath of judiciary this morning at State House in the presence of President Wavell Ramkalawan and the First Lady. Also present were Vice President Ahmed Afif, Speaker of the National Assembly Roger Mancienne, President of the Court of Appeal, leaders in the National Assembly, members of the judiciary and immediate family members of the Chief Justice. Chief Justice Govinden said that members of the judiciary who impart justice should be seen to be impartial.
We also need to acknowledge as judges, justices of appeal, that we are the only arm of the state that does not stand the wrath of the populace every 5 years. The legislature, the executive, every 5 years they come before the citizens of Seychelles. And depending on their work, they are given mandates. Us, we are appointed and we are in office up to the age of pension, if not more. So we are secure in our position. That is why we should be doubly ensuring that we are without blemish in terms of our accountability. We should be able to face the person that we judge, look him in the eye and say, I'm judging you because I'm a law-abiding citizen and therefore have the moral right to do so. If your credibility is not there, if your integrity is not there, then in his eyes, even though you are judging him, your judgment doesn't sink in.
President Ramkalawan has asked the new Chief Justice to be transparent when discharging the work of the judiciary and to do his utmost to remove the perception of corruption within the system.
Whenever there are corruption cases before you, please, you will be rendering the country the greatest service if you can help us fight corruption, because I believe there is too much corruption still going on, and unless corruption is appropriately punished, people will feel that it's a norm, it's okay, we can be corrupt and then we can get away with it. But as head of state, I will not tolerate corruption, and therefore, once again, I will state, I believe it's your responsibility as the judiciary to help us fight this scourge which has been affecting our country for too long.